What is up, YouTube? This is my first video and I just want to get this awkward first video out of the way. So we're just going to do some routine maintenance on my 3500 and get ready for a trip. We got oil change, fuel filter, delete, replace, air filter clean, and let's get started. Also, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't condone any of this that I do. If anything, you'll probably get a little entertainment and learn what not to do. I tend to break a lot of shit, so let's go. For this fuel filter in the engine bay, we are going to be replacing it. And you're like, replacing it with what? I'll show you. We are replacing this stock fuel filter with a black market diesel performance replacement filter. Here's all the parts that it comes with. Although this does look a little concerning. Not for fuel injection system, but hey, it came with it, so we're gonna use it. Let's get to installing it. Just to catch you guys up, I took these two plugs off and took the heat shield off so I can get more room down in here. You're gonna have to take the feed line off of CP3 down there. And there's a few connections down here that we'll have to get at. You can see this one, like right here. And then back here, got one. And then we'll be able to take this out. I did already loosen the pressure valve and it's drained down there. I'll show you. I've got this funnel with a hose on it that just kind of a snake up in there. and then a little bucket to catch it in. All right, let's back to the tire. Sorry guys, rookie mistake, my battery died, but we're back. I got the phone. We'll film with that till my batteries get charged up, and I'll show you where we are. I try not to get too far, but I had the retainer clips for the factory feed line break, and I have to get replacements. But I'll show you where we are right now. Here we are. I undid this boot here to make a little bit more room. Was able to pull the coolant line out of the way enough to snake the factory fuel pump right through here underneath, and there's nothing back here now. Right there you can see the clips are missing, so I have to get new ones to replace that. Hopefully they're easy enough to find. But we will be mounting the black market right here with these two bolts and going from there. All right, once you get your factory fuel filter out, you want to flip it over and get this sensor out. I already loosened it. It's not that tight to begin with, but we will put this in the black market right here. Just like that. Now we'll bolt this in. All right, it's been a couple weeks, but we got the new parts in. Here's our new hard feed line. As you can see, it's got the clips intact. This here is the old one, and this was what's left of the clips that completely blew out of it. So the only thing you need to do once you get the old feed line out is transfer the clip over to the new one, since it doesn't come with it. And if you need the part number, there's the part number for you guys if this happens to you and you need to get the upfront feed line, hard feed line. So there it is again. Wasn't too bad to find online, but just to make it easy for you. There it is. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this and get it installed. My light down there died, but looks pretty good. Let's move on to the feed line from the filter into the CP3. For the next part, take this banjo bolt off here. oh, probably can't see. We took this banjo bolt off, just set this up out of the way so we can take box wrench and just get this for the replacement from the Black Market Performance kit. And like that, we get it out. Alright, up next we got the feed line from the filter into the CB3. I got the fitting in there. We're going to take these, put this into the CB3, measure our hose, cut it, put this other 90 fitting on there, and that should be about it. Alright guys, just like that, we're all set. Everything's put back. Looks pretty good back in there. Prime it up and see if anything leaks now. Alright guys, that's a wrap on this first video. Appreciate you if you stuck through for the whole thing, and if you guys don't mind giving it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe. I got more videos coming your way, and until next time, remember to enjoy the ride. We'll see you then.